What is Repeato?
Repeato.
Am I saying correct?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, absolutely correct.
Okay.
A lot of Germans say Repeato.
Okay.
The original
It sounds
name is
Italian.
Repeato, yeah.
Okay, Repeato. What is it exactly?
Kind of test automation tool.
Okay.
It works based on computer vision. Here, for example, you can see how we automated a game of one of our clients just for demo purposes. Or now it actually switched to automating Google Maps. So you can do black box testing without need for source code. Repeato uses visual fingerprints instead of IDs for locating elements. And it has a couple of benefits which come with that. For example, dealing with animations. Talking about animations, when you have elements moving into the screen, for example, they're not fully visible. Repeato waits till the element becomes visible.
Okay.
And also static, so it always looks twice and starts interacting with the element as soon as it stops moving.
Okay. Like a real human.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's very quick. It looks up to 50 times a second.
Okay.
For the element, and
it's not monkey testing. It's exactly has a script and okay.
How to record a test because
it
comes with a test recorder.
Okay.
So here I can show you again how we recorded the search. You can see how the steps pop up on the right side, and you can also add a checkpoint. You can also add more checkpoints, but for the demo we will just add one. Just make sure that this element is showing up.
Okay. How does it work? It do image processing?
Yes.
Okay.
It's computer vision algorithm.
Okay, interesting. So you don't care about the ID of element like espresso. It's just exactly what's on the screen.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
The element can look slightly different, but there is a certain threshold, and Repeato is gonna notify you as soon as something looks totally off.
Okay, and then is it easy to integrate with our CI? So the app, when it's built, you can upload it to this panel and it runs automatically.
Yes, we don't offer a service.
Okay.
Yet. We will be next week probably.
Okay.
But we offer a headless test run. It's a Node.js application, so you can run it on any cloud service you like.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Nice service. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for the investment.